does it feel to be the most Googled celebrity in a vast country like India? Must be a proud thing, right? So who are those celebrities who were most Googled in 2023 in India? As we reflect on the events that captured our attention throughout the year, Google's 2023 annual search report unveils a tapestry of occurrences and personalities that resonated with users. Leading the pack in Bollywood actors securing the top spot on the trending personalities list. However, cricket takes the limelight as the Cricket World Cup 2023 propels many cricket names into the top 10 searches. In the spotlight, Bollywood actress Kiara Advani, renowned for her roles in films such as MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, Sher Shah and Satya Prem Ki Katha, took the internet by storm in early 2023. The buzz reached its peak as she exchanged vows with actor Siddharth Malhotra. From her wedding lehenga to the intricate jewelry, venue and reception details, the internet was abuzz with discussions about the star-studded event. In the cricket arena, Shubman Gill, recognized as world's top ODI batsman, had a remarkable year in 2023. Often referred to as the Prince of Cricket, Gill showcased his prowess while playing for the IPL team Gujarat Titans, emerging as the league's highest run scorer for the year. Beyond the cricket pitch, he lent his voice to the Indian Spider-Man in the film Spider-Man Across the Multiverse. Adding to his achievements, Gill made his debut in the ODI Men's World Cup tournament in 2023, a significant milestone hosted in his home country, India. Introducing Rachin Ravindra, the dynamic Indian origin cricketer representing New Zealand national cricket team. Making his mark on the global stage, Ravindra debuted in the ODI World Cup 2023 hosted in India. The young cricket sensation captured the internet's attention with the stellar performance, outshining many established cricket icons. In a remarkable feat, he surpassed Sachin Tendulkar's record, becoming the highest run scorer in a single edition before turning 25. Meet Mohammad Shami, the powerhouse of the Indian cricket team, undoubtedly one of the world's best and most lethal fast bowlers. The 33-year-old seamer left an indelible mark on the 2023 World Cup, showcasing his dominance with a staggering 24 wickets in just 7 matches, breaking and setting multiple records. Shami emerged as the highest wicket taker of the tournament and the third overall. Notably, he secured the title of the first Indian bowler with the most 5-wicket hauls in ODI history, along with achieving the distinction of the first to have a 7-wicket haul in a WC qualifier match, among other remarkable feats. Stepping into the digital realm, Elvish Yadav, an Indian YouTuber, claims the 5th spot on the most searched people's list of 2023. This year took a turn when he received a wildcard entry into the Indian reality show Bigg Boss OTT, hosted by Salman Khan. Despite entering the competition late, Elvish Yadav made a lasting impact, ultimately emerging as the season's winner, further elevating his popularity and leaving a significant mark on the entertainment landscape. Introducing Glenn Maxwell, the Australian batsman who left an indelible mark during the 2023 World Cup. Maxwell not only won hearts but also edged his name in the record books by scoring a double century in a match against Afghanistan. Beyond the cricket fields, he became an internet sensation, celebrated not just for winning a challenging match but also for embodying unwavering perseverance and dedication to the sport of cricket. Renowned English football legend David Beckham recently embarked on a tour of India, making a special appearance at the ODI World Cup final match between India and Australia held at Mumbai's Wankhede Stadium. Beyond the football pitch, Beckham showcased his playful side, engaging in a spirited game of cricket with children, adding a touch of sporting camaraderie to his visit. Meet Surya Kumar Yadav, the dynamic Indian batsman known for his explosive, playful style. Affectionately called Mr. 360 for his ability to hit boundaries from all angles, Suryakumar plays a crucial role for the IPL team Mumbai Indians, ranking as the 8th highest run scorer in the league. Making waves in international cricket, he debuted in the ODI World Cup in 2023 and captained the Indian T20I cricket team in a successful bilateral series against Australia. With its stellar captaincy and batting prowess, Suryakumar Yadav secured the title of #1 T20 batter in the world. Enters Travis Head, the formidable opening batsman representing the Australian cricket team. Head made waves with his outstanding performance in the 2023 World Cup, particularly his remarkable score of 137 runs against India in the final. This standout innings played a pivotal role in Australia securing their 6th World Cup championship title, making Head a cricketing sensation and a key player in the team's triumph. As we conclude this video reflecting on the most searched celebrities in India, I'm curious to hear from all of you. Have any of these personalities been part of your searches this year? Or perhaps, I would love to know who was that one individual who truly inspired you in 2023. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the noteworthy figures of this year, and we look forward to hearing about your own inspirations. Until next time, stay tuned with One India News for more exciting updates and insights.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.